You will agree with me when I say that you are a product of your choices. In fact, we all are a product of our choices. We keep on making choices moment by moment, and that is what accumulates into creating our life the way it is at any given point of time. So, in this video, I am going to share with you some areas of your life and help you understand what are the choices available, and you may be able to discover that you have, in fact, better options than you are currently using. So, let's straight away get into the subject. First area that I would like to emphasize is take personal responsibility or keep on making excuses. Now, there is no second guess about this that when any person takes personal responsibility about everything that is happening in life, that person will be able to direct his or her actions in a much more effective way. But in comparison to that, you must have noticed that there is a whole lot of people who keep on giving excuses for not doing all those things which will actually make their lives better. So, which one would you like to choose? Or another question I would like to ask here is, are there some areas of your life where you may be presently making excuses rather than taking personal responsibility and taking the right action, which is even more useful for you? Second area that I would like to emphasize is appreciate what you have or keep complaining. Appreciate what you have comes from the space of abundance. A person knows that this is what I have at this point of time, and let me acknowledge, let me appreciate that, because all that is available to me right now is making me and my life functional. But in comparison to that, a person who continues to complain operates from the space of lack. That person always experiences or feels that this is what is missing in my life. And tell me which one would work better for your life. If you appreciate more, obviously you will attract more of similar things. But if you keep on complaining, you will always keep noticing what is missing in your life. And that will have a great impact on your overall emotional state. Third area that I would like you to pay attention to is stand up for your beliefs or blow along with the wind. Now, what does it essentially mean? That when you have strong beliefs, you will be making choices which are useful, functional for you, and you have considered them because they will be beneficial to you in the long run. But if you continue to blow with the wind, you will not be able to withstand the pressures of life. Anyone who says something to you to make a sudden choice and you will move towards that. Another person comes and tells you something different and you move towards that. So, what is recommended is make those choices which are aligned with your strong beliefs rather than going along with anyone and everyone, because you know your life the best. The next point I would like to emphasize is that you can delegate responsibility or have tight control. This is very important aspect of your professional life. You are working as a team player, you are working as a team leader, and there may be quite a number of tasks which you can entrust to your team members. And what will happen by entrusting those tasks to other people? Two things. One, you will be empowering them to take on bigger challenges, and at the same time, you will be able to free up your time for focusing on more strategic decisions. But at the same time, you must have noticed that there are people who prefer to maintain tight control because they have an element of distrust amongst people. So, if you want to grow as a leader, perhaps learning to delegate will be definitely a better option for you. And the last thought that I'm sharing with you in this video is you can accept adversity as a champion or you can feel sorry for yourself. The difference between the two is one turns out to be a winner and another continues to remain as a loser or a victim. Adversities are an essential part of life. Everyone goes through ups and downs in life. But the question is how you have an interface with those adversities, those challenges. That is what ultimately decides the course of your life. So, which one would you like to choose? Be a champ or remain a victim? So, these are 5 areas that I have talked about today, and I'll continue this series of various choices that are available to us. And can we empower ourselves to start making better choices which are useful to us in the long run? I'll see you in my next video.